CoConstruct and BuildTools are two of the most popular construction management software options out there, each offering a set of unique features. But which one is more comprehensive? In this video, we're going to break down the differences, the pros and cons of each, and help you decide which one might suit your business needs best. Let's start with the first thing you need to know. CoConstruct is known for its user-friendly interface and customization options. It's designed with home builders and remodelers in mind, offering project management features that allow you to manage budgeting, scheduling, client communication, and selections all in one place. Its collaboration tools are particularly strong, allowing teams and clients to stay updated and communicate seamlessly. But while it shines in those areas, it falls short on integrations. CoConstruct can be a bit restrictive when it comes to syncing with third-party tools. It's definitely solid, but can feel limiting if you rely heavily on other software. Next, let's talk about BuildTools. BuildTools also offers a solid project management platform, but is more focused on managing the construction process with a focus on scheduling, budgets, and team collaboration. It provides detailed reporting and has strong integration capabilities with other systems. You can easily sync it with accounting software and other tools that your team might already be using. However, it's not without its own flaws. Some users report that it can be overwhelming at first, with a learning curve that can slow down productivity in the beginning. Also, the mobile app isn't as reliable as it should be, which is a deal breaker if you need to access the software on the go. The third thing worth considering is the pricing models. CoConstruct offers tiered pricing based on your needs, but it's on the higher end of the spectrum, especially for smaller companies. BuildTools, on the other hand, has a simpler pricing structure, but may still end up being pricey for the value it offers compared to its competitors. Both are costly if you're working on a tight budget, but if you're looking for premium features, you might feel justified in the expense. That said, both tools aren't exactly budget-friendly, so you'll need to carefully assess if the investment is worth it. Next, let's consider the customer support experience. CoConstruct has a reputation for great customer service, with many users praising their support team for being responsive and helpful. They offer a variety of support resources, including online tutorials, videos, and a dedicated support team. But on the flip side, BuildTools has also been recognized for its customer service, though some customers feel it could be more proactive in providing assistance rather than just reactive. When it comes to getting support quickly, both have room for improvement. Moving on, a major factor to consider is scalability. CoConstruct offers good scalability, especially for growing businesses. Its features can grow with you, but if you're an enterprise-level business, you might find that it doesn't have the depth in reporting and data analysis tools that larger organizations require. BuildTools tends to cater more towards smaller to mid-sized businesses, but does have a bit more flexibility when it comes to integrations, allowing it to expand a little easier as you scale up. The last thing to mention before we wrap up is the fact that both of these software options are great, but they don't have everything. They both have strengths, but also weaknesses that could impact your project management process. They're definitely worth trying if you think they meet your needs, but in my experience, there's another alternative that provides a more comprehensive set of tools without the limitations that come with both of these. So, if you're looking for something that gives you the flexibility, scalability, and seamless integration that CoConstruct and BuildTools lack, then I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description. I've tried all of these tools myself, and trust me, this alternative is the most comprehensive solution you'll find. Plus, by using our link, you'll get an exclusive free trial with benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Don't miss out. Click the link now.